Where are all my hot sleepers at? Because if you know, you know. Waking up overheated in the middle of the night is the worst. This is the Novilla 14-inch king mattress, and the brand was kind enough to send this over for us to try out. It comes compressed in a box, which honestly made it so easy to get into the house. Setup was also super simple. Once you open it, it starts expanding right away, which is honestly really satisfying to watch. It's a hybrid mattress, so you're getting both support and comfort built in. And right away, it just feels really balanced. It's not too soft and it's not too firm. It has upgraded pocketed coils inside, so you get that deeper support through your back, shoulders, and hips without feeling like you're sinking in. And the edge support is actually really solid too. You can sit or lay near the edge and it still feels stable and not like it's going to collapse on you. It also does a really good job with motion isolation. So if you're sharing a bed, you're not feeling every little movement at night, which makes a huge difference for staying asleep. But my favorite part, especially as someone who runs hot at night, is the top layer. It has breathable fabric with cooling gel memory foam, so it helps regulate temperature and keeps things from overheating while you sleep. It's also CertiPure US certified and fiberglass free, which just makes it feel better to sleep on. This honestly feels like such an upgrade, and it looks so good all set up too. Yeah, this was the right decision.